Planning your week manually is outdated. It's stressful, it's repetitive, and honestly, most people forget to do it. But what if your planning system could write your goals for you, summarize what you accomplished last week, and suggest your top priorities without you lifting a finger? Today, I'm going to show you how to build an AI-powered weekly planning system in Notion using GPT-4, and we're doing it all with zero code. This setup will allow you to review your previous week with AI-generated summaries, automatically suggest goals for the week ahead, organize tasks by category and priority, and optionally get a daily brief every morning, personalized just for you. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need any premium software beyond an open AI key. And once it's set up, it will feel like having a personal assistant right inside your Notion workspace. This is perfect for solopreneurs, creators, productivity junkies, and anyone who wants a smarter way to manage their week. Let's build it. Open a new Notion page and title it Weekly Planner AI. We'll be using one central database and two automation flows, all using Make.com and GPT-4. It'll take about 15 minutes to set up, and after that, it runs like clockwork. Start by creating a database inside your Notion page. Select Table and Full Page. Name it Weekly Log. Now let's add these columns. Week start, wins and highlights, challenges, tasks completed, AI summary, AI goal suggestions, weekly goals, priority focus, status, and send to AI. The week start column should be a date. Wins and highlights, challenges, and tasks completed should be text. AI summary and AI goal suggestions will hold the GPT-generated output. Weekly goals and priority focus are optional but helpful for your own notes. Status should be a select field with options like draft, review, and ready. Send to AI should be a checkbox. This is your weekly journal, planner, and goal tracker in one place. You'll enter bullet points or rough notes throughout the week, then flip the Send to AI toggle when you're ready to process it all. Now, here's where it gets powerful. Once the Send to AI box is checked, Make.com will connect to your Notion workspace, pull that data, send it to GPT-4, and write your summary and next week's goals. All automatically. Go to Make.com and log in or create a free account. Click Create a new scenario. Start with Notion and select Watch Database Items. Connect your Notion account, select your weekly log database, and add a filter so it only triggers if Send to AI is checked. Next, add OpenAI and choose Create Chat Completion. Here's the prompt you'll use for the summary. You are a productivity assistant. Based on the following weekly log, generate a summary of key highlights, wins, challenges, and lessons learned. Format it in 3 short paragraphs. Here is the log. Wins, followed by the wins and highlights field. Challenges, followed by the challenges field. Completed, followed by the tasks. Completed field. Make sure the output is structured, clean, and motivational. Map that response to your AI summary column. Now let's generate the upcoming week's goals. Add a second OpenAI module. Use this prompt. You are an AI planning assistant. Based on the user's accomplishments and challenges from last week, suggest 3 to 5 SMART goals for the upcoming week. The user is focused on productivity, self-improvement, and digital work. Here is the context. Wins, followed by wins and highlights. Challenges, followed by challenges. Completed, followed by tasks. Completed. Make the goals action-oriented and realistic. Format as a bullet list. Map that response to the AI goal suggestions column. Finally, add a Notion module to update the same row. Reset the Send to AI checkbox back to blank, so it doesn't trigger again. You can also automatically change status from draft to review. Hit save, name your scenario Weekly Planner AI, and run once to test it. Let's see how it works in practice. You've had a busy week. Type in wins. Posted 2 videos, cleaned up workspace, replied to old emails. Challenges. wasted time on phone, inconsistent sleep, didn't finish automation setup. Completed client project phase 1, grocery shopping, edited podcast episode. You check the Send to AI box and wait 10 seconds. Suddenly, the AI summary field is filled in with something like, "This week you made solid progress on your content and cleaned up lingering tasks. Your workspace was refreshed and communication backlog handled." However, distractions and sleep inconsistency impacted your energy levels. You're building momentum, but small systems could improve your flow next week. Then the AI goal suggestions field updates with, "Finalize and test automation system. Film 1 new video and schedule publishing. Set 3 daily screen time limits. Create a consistent evening routine. Plan meals on Sunday for the upcoming week." That's not just task management. That's weekly reflection and intelligent planning, and with no effort. If you want to manually select your weekly goals from those suggestions, copy and paste them into the weekly goals column. You can also add a priority focus field, where you set the number 1 goal of the week based on AI's suggestion. Now that your weekly flow is automated, let's take it one step further. You can use this same structure to create daily briefs inside Notion. Add a second database called Daily Planner AI. Include these columns: date, tasks, notes, or journal, mood or energy, AI summary, suggested focus, and send to AI. Then, duplicate your make.com scenario and change the source database to Daily Planner AI. Adjust the GPT prompt like this: "You are a digital assistant. Based on today's notes and tasks, suggest a single main focus for the day. Then summarize any emotional or energy-related patterns. Be concise and motivating. Feed in the tasks, notes, and mood or energy fields. Map the response to suggested focus and AI summary." Now, every time you write a short journal entry or task list and check Send to AI, you'll get a motivating focus and daily insight. Combine the weekly planner and daily planner to create a living system that helps you work smarter, even on autopilot. You don't need to remember to reflect. You don't need to come up with your own goals. You don't even need to write clearly. AI handles that too. This workflow turns Notion into a productivity system that writes back. It responds to your thoughts, it surfaces your patterns, and it gives you structure without making you rigid. Let's recap what you just built. You created a weekly planner in Notion. You connected it to GPT-4 using make.com. You set up prompts to summarize your week and suggest upcoming goals. You made the whole thing no code, auto-triggered, and editable. And you optionally expanded into a daily planner with the same structure. This is not a template. It's a system. It learns from you. It adapts to you. And it saves you hours of mental overhead every single week. If you want the exact Notion template and make.com automation I used in this video, check the link in the description. And if this helped you think differently about planning, like the video and subscribe to Automation Arsenal. I post weekly faceless tutorials showing you how to use AI to automate your content, your calendar, and your business. Let AI do the organizing so you can focus on doing the work that actually matters. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.